Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Volvo C70 versus BMW. We'll start by looking at what powers these convertibles. The C70 often comes with a robust turbocharged 5-cylinder engine, providing a unique sound and solid torque. BMW, on the other hand, is well known for its smooth and powerful inline-six engines, offering a different kind of driving experience. Both deliver enjoyable open-air motoring. Next, let's step inside and explore the interiors. Volvo C70 emphasizes comfort and safety, with supportive seats and intuitive controls, creating a relaxed atmosphere. BMW's approach often leans towards a more driver-centric cockpit, featuring high-quality materials and a sporty feel. Both brands provide sophisticated infotainment options, ensuring you stay connected and entertained on your journeys. Now let's talk about the driving experience and what it's like to own these cars. The Volvo C70 offers a smooth and composed ride, making it a great choice for comfortable cruising. BMW convertibles are often praised for their dynamic handling and engaging driving characteristics, appealing to those who enjoy a sportier feel. Ownership costs, including maintenance, can vary, so research is key. Finally, let's consider the overall value and our concluding thoughts. Both the Volvo C70 and comparable BMW models offer distinct advantages, and their resale values will depend heavily on their condition and history. If you prioritize a comfortable, relaxed cruising experience, the C70 might be for you. However, if a more engaging, sporty drive is what you seek, a BMW could be the better fit. Remember to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.